Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Bantu knot tutorial. I'm just going to start off by sectioning and put my hair in a little scrunchie to separate it. So I've sectioned it off. I'm going to comb through it and gonna get off the excess water because I don't want them to be dripping wet. It takes forever to dry. I'm using this Cantu curling cream and this Main Choice softening milk, along with a little bit of Eco Styler gel and some water just in case I dry it out a little too much. So I'm gonna go in and start mixing the two curling creams / milk, whatever, together. And I'm gonna rub that through my hair thoroughly, making sure it penetrates my hair. I'm gonna go in and section again and start twisting my hair into a coil. So I'm going to twist it all the way down to the bottom, and towards the end I'm going to add some Eco Styler gel to prevent my ends from getting frizzy. Anyways, yeah, so I'm going to add that to the ends, and I don't know, I just think this makes for better curls. I don't know if this works for everybody, it might flake up, but for me this works. So I kind of have to twist it a little tightly at the root, even though you kind of not supposed to. My hair slips, so I think that's why I'm doing this little thing right here, so it'll be secure and it'll stay. I don't want them to get too mushy. I want the curls to be nice and formed. So I'm just going around wrapping the hair around each other to eventually form a knot. I'm gonna do it again for you guys. I'm gonna secure it with a bobby pin so that it stays. I didn't think this was gonna work. Most of the time I use rubber bands, but bobby pins are so much easier. So I'm just gonna brush this section out and do the same thing. I'm gonna coil it all the way to the bottom. Add Eco Styler gel, which I think I omitted here, unfortunately. So then I'm kind of just making it a little tighter so it'll be secure, and start wrapping it around itself. It was really hard to try to show y'all like how to do this with my phone from this angle. We are on a budget and one day we'll have a camera, but until then this is as close as I could get for you all. So I'm just gonna do this all over my head. It's pretty simple or whatever. If this is your first time doing it, it's gonna take a couple of times and everything, but just, pray and have patience, because I think my first time I was getting really annoyed. I haven't done this on my hair since I was transitioning. Like, Bantu knots are perfect for anybody who is transitioning. That's all I would do in the beginning, because my curl pattern was a mess because I burned it up with flat irons. So yeah, Bantu knots are really good if you're transitioning and watching this. Don't feel like you have to have perfectly you don't have to have curly hair right now. As long as you have some good products and form your Bantu knots perfectly, you'll be fine. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch the rest of it, and I'll come back towards the end because I'm just gonna do the same thing a couple more times. I'll see y'all towards the end of the video. Alright, so now I'm on the last one in my head, and I just wanted to tell y'all how I go to sleep. So because my hair may be wet or whatever, I put a t-shirt over my pillow, like a pillowcase, and I sleep with my scarf and my bonnet. But I don't really like sleeping with my bonnet necessarily with these, because I need my hair to get as much air as possible so that it will be dry. So tonight. I don't think I'm gonna sleep with the bonnet to see what results I get, but I am gonna sit under the dryer for an hour, and then probably an hour when I get up before I take the Bantu knots out, if I do decide to take them out tomorrow. I want my hair to be really dry, so I might wait 2 days. So yeah, I might just wear this as a style via me flicking my edges and stuff like that. Any questions or whatever, drop them below. I'm gonna leave the products and everything in the description box. Thanks for watching. These are ugly little cameos. Yeah, bye you guys.